What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Hitman Jay coming to you live. I just want to let you guys know, man, that for the past, I would say 2 or 3 days, roughly, I've been dealing with this fatal error in Warzone, and I know for a fact I might not be the only one that's ever dealt with this. I've tried so many things. I YouTubed a lot of things. I've tried uninstalling, reinstalling the game. I've tried deleting the players folder in my Modern Warfare. I've tried deleting, uninstalling voice mod and reinstalling voice mod because I heard that supposedly voice mod might be the reason why a lot of people are dealing with this issue. I mean, you name it, I've probably tried it and it didn't work until I tried this. And I want to get straight into it. Don't want to waste too much of your time because I'm the type of person that it's like, bro, just get straight to the point, right? So I know you can definitely relate. So here's what has helped me for the past, I want to say, I streamed a couple hours yesterday, streamed about 4 hours today, and keeping the fingers crossed, man. I haven't had a fatal error since, and I believe this fixed my problem. So I just want to hopefully help you fix your problem as well if you're dealing with the same thing. So basically, what you're gonna do is you just go into your click into the Modern Warfare app, right? You wanna load up the app. You wanna launch the app pretty much, right? So launch the app. And if you're new to my stream, or not stream, sorry, I'm just so used to streaming. If you're new to my channel, man, do your boy a solid, man, and smash that thumb, hit that notification bell, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. I'd highly appreciate that. I post up Warzone clips on my channel. I actually go live on Facebook gaming, so if you are on Facebook, I'd highly appreciate if you go to Facebook gaming and find me at Hitman_J. That is Hitman_J on Facebook gaming, and go shoot a follow, go hit that like button, man, hit that notification bell as well. But anyways, without further ado, what you do is you start up the app, right? So make sure you start up the app, and what you want to do is you want to click, hit Control Alt Delete. All right, and then you want to open up your task manager. So you open up your task manager file, right? You go in your task manager. As soon as you go into your task manager, you're gonna see Call of Duty Modern Warfare, right? You're gonna go into details. Once you go into details, you go into the modernwarfare.exe. You go in there and you see your priority. Your priority is either gonna be, if you're dealing with this problem, it's probably gonna be either normal or high. Mine's is normally high. So I realized that, and I tried above normal, and I changed the priority, and literally, no lie, leaving it in above normal as opposed to either normal or high, I haven't dealt with any issues. I mean, I've tried a lot of things. Trust me when I tell you. Like, I was dealing with it outside of streaming yesterday. I was dealing with it, I mean, for like 3-4 days straight. Couldn't figure out what the problem was. Like I said, tried uninstalling the players folder, uninstalled the game, reinstalled the game. Took hours to do that. Like, I've tried a lot of things and it wasn't working. And this, God willing, it stays like this. But this has literally, for the past 2 days, yesterday and today, I haven't had a fatal error since. So hopefully this helps you guys out, helps your problem, because I know it was frustrating, beyond frustrating for me. And hopefully it helps you out. So I don't want to waste no more of your time. Like I said, just a recap, just pretty much just launch the app, launch the Call of Duty app. Then once you're in the lobby or right here in your main lobby, you want to hit Control Alt Delete, go into Modern Warfare EXE, set your priority to above normal. Hopefully that helps you out. Like I said, if this has helped you out, let me know in the comment section. If it didn't, hopefully we can all, as a community, try to get everybody to get a resolution to the problem, man, because honestly this was beyond frustrating for me, so I can only imagine what you're going through. All right, so I just want to say thank you for watching, thank you for taking the time out, and like I said, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content. Thank you, God bless, have a good one.